Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Bookbag Boys is probably one of the most essential items for students and anyone who needs to carry their belongings. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Bookbag Boys, exploring their features, durability, and overall value. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or simply someone who needs a reliable way to transport your gear, we'll help you find the perfect Bookbag Boys to suit your needs. Number 5. RICKYH School Backpack, stylish, lightweight, and versatile. This backpack features a chic graffiti print design. The spacious main compartment can hold up to 25 liters, making it perfect for all your essentials. It has multiple compartments for organized storage. There's a laptop sleeve, inner mesh pocket, side pockets, and zipped pockets to keep everything in its place. This backpack is great for various activities. Use it for school, commuting, weekend trips, or even short hikes. It's designed for everyday use. The lightweight construction and adjustable padded shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry. You can wear it for extended periods without strain. The product comes with a 90-day warranty against defects. You can contact customer support if you have any issues, even after the return window closes. This backpack is suitable for users aged 8 and above. It's a great choice for students and anyone needing a reliable and stylish bag. What we like. This backpack boasts a stylish design with its eye-catching graffiti prints, making it stand out from the crowd. It also features multiple compartments, perfect for organizing all your essentials. If you are looking for a backpack that combines fashion with function, this is the one for you. What people say. Got this for my grandson for Christmas. The quality is great and it looks good on him. It's lightweight and has plenty of storage space. Love the straps on either side that allow the restriction of excess space. What a thoughtful feature. I no longer need fear my items potentially getting scratched or damaged due to shifting and movement. This product is made of durable and quality material, it repels water naturally, and maintains a clean and impressive look even when exposed to dusty, dirty, or non-ideal environments. It distributes weight efficiently, colors don't fade easily, and is padded well for securing electronic devices as long as you pack them wisely. Number 4. JanSport Crosstown Backpack, simple, durable, stylish. Introducing the JanSport Crosstown Backpack. It's a simple, modern backpack available in various colors and patterns to match your style. This bag is ready for anything. Made with 100% recycled 600 denier polyester, this backpack is both functional and classic. It's crafted for simplicity and built to last, getting you across town in style. This backpack is designed for all-day wear. It features a comfortable, padded back panel and straight-cut padded shoulder straps, ensuring comfort wherever you go. The backpack has one large main compartment, a front utility pocket with an organizer, and a side water bottle pocket. It also includes a top haul loop for added convenience. For over 50 years, JanSport has been creating high-quality backpacks. This medium backpack is perfect for class, work, or any adventure. It is intended for persons 13 years of age and older. What we like. This backpack is designed with simplicity and durability in mind, crafted from 100% recycled materials. It also offers a comfortable, padded back panel and shoulder straps for all-day wear. If you are looking for a classic, reliable backpack for everyday use, you should consider this. What people say. It holds all the essentials, folders, books, snacks, extra snacks, 47 pencils, and whatever mysterious rock she found at recess. The padded straps and back panel make it comfy, and it's sturdy enough to survive being launched across the living room after school. It's roomy, great quality, lots of space. All the zippers were working. Number 3. Adidas XL Backpack, durable laptop bag for men and women. This is the Adidas XL Backpack, perfect for anyone on the go. It's built to handle your daily needs, whether you're heading to the gym or the office. This backpack is designed for both men and women. The load spring shoulder straps are designed to make carrying your belongings more comfortable. They help to distribute the weight, so you can carry your items with ease. This feature makes it ideal for travel or daily use. This backpack is built to last, backed by a lifetime warranty. It's made with durable materials and designed to withstand daily wear and tear. You can rely on it for years to come. The wipeable material makes it easy to clean with just soap and water. It's suitable for various uses, from a work backpack to a gym bag. This versatile design adapts to your lifestyle. It features an interior sleeve that securely stores laptops up to 15 inches. Multiple zippered pockets provide plenty of storage space for your essentials. It's a great choice for students and professionals. It includes 2 mesh-side water bottle pockets that fit up to 32-ounce bottles. This feature ensures you can stay hydrated throughout the day. It's perfect for any activity. What we like. This backpack features load spring shoulder straps, designed to ease the weight, making it comfortable to carry. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring its durability. If you are looking for a backpack that can handle the demands of your active lifestyle, this is a great choice. What people say. The backpack has multiple compartments, which is great for organizing school supplies. The design is very stylish and my son loves it. The backpack is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. VIDOSCLA Kids Backpack for Elementary and Middle School. This backpack is designed with a large capacity to hold all your books and essentials. It's made from high-density nylon fabric, making it water-resistant and durable for daily use. The backpack is crafted with water-resistant and stain-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. It's also anti-strike and anti-scratch, providing long-lasting durability. It features widened and thickened, adjustable shoulder straps and a comfortable handle. The padded, breathable back panel helps to alleviate pressure and protect your spine. The large capacity design can accommodate most of your daily necessities. This backpack is the right size for different needs, making it perfect for school. This backpack is very practical with multiple pockets for different needs. It's easy to carry, even when it's full and heavy, making it ideal for both travel and school. What we like. This backpack is made with water-resistant material, protecting your belongings from the elements. It's designed with comfort in mind, featuring adjustable shoulder straps and a breathable back panel. If you have a lot of books and supplies to carry, this backpack's large capacity will meet your needs. What people say. The backpack is very sturdy and well made. The backpack has a lot of pockets and compartments, which is great for organizing everything. The backpack is a great size and fits everything my son needs for school. Number 1. MYGREEN 16 inches Gray School Backpack. This backpack is crafted from durable polyester fabric, making it water-resistant and easy to clean. The stylish design and beautiful color are sure to please. Featuring breathable and adjustable shoulder straps, this backpack relieves shoulder stress. The S-shaped straps and padded back panel ensure comfortable carrying, and it includes a convenient handle and debuckle. With dimensions of 16.5 by 12.6 by 7 inches, this lightweight day pack is perfect for school and beyond. It provides ample space for all essentials, including books, binders, and personal items. This backpack is suitable for various activities, such as travel, work, and outdoor adventures. It's a versatile bag for all stages of life, from school to weekend trips. This backpack is an ideal gift for kids, perfect for back-to-school, holidays, or birthdays. It's a thoughtful present for students of all ages. What we like. This backpack is made from durable, water-resistant polyester fabric, keeping your items safe and dry. It features breathable and adjustable shoulder straps for comfortable carrying. If you like a lightweight and stylish backpack that's perfect for school or travel, you should consider this. What people say. The backpack is very sturdy and well made. The backpack has a lot of pockets and compartments. The backpack is a great size for elementary school kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.